So friends, I'm back. Today I got a Samsung 27-inch curved monitor from Costco for around $250. So I'm going to unpack this box and I'm going to show the inner contents, and then I'm going to fix it and show the performance. So why I got this monitor as such, because the primary reason is that it's a curved one, and the viewing angle is kind of like best suitable for the eyes. And besides that, it was a fair deal from Costco, and I checked the prices all over Best Buy, Walmart, so it was a similar deal. So buying from Costco is a better deal, because in case if you don't like it, the return is pretty much easier as compared to the stores. So it says that easy on the eyes with a curvature of 1800R, whatever be it. But more or less, I found it very appealing in the looks, and there are certain features. In terms of feature, the primary features is like it's super slim, and it has a best in class curvature of 1800R, and it's an ultra design. As if you can look from outside, it seems to be very ultra. So let me unpack. I'm very intrigued to open it and show you the real monitor from inside. So here you go. It comes with a stand, and here are two sets of the frame, the charging wire, and it also comes with the HDMI cable. And there are some instructions to the setting of the monitor. And here is my monitor. So it seems to be kind of a very compact, and even from the accessories, like a very basic bare minimum accessories, but more or less I'm more inclined towards the look and feel and the performance. That first I am going to focus here. So while fixing the stand, you need to make sure that your the screen is laying flat on the cushion or the thermopole that it comes up with. And then this is a stand. If you can see, it's a very sleek design. You just need a coin or a screwdriver to tighten it up, and then you need to push the stand with the attachment which is already attached to the screen. So it takes just hardly a minute or so to fix it. So I'm all set. I'm going to now connect this with my laptop and show you the performance of the Samsung monitor. Again, it comes with the HDMI cable, which will go here, and if you can see, there's a power button here, and I see there is a option for a speaker button as well, so you can put your speaker and or the headphone, so it should work here. I see another power button. I'm not sure about it, but more or less it's the look, and it looks very stylish, very modern. So let's start and see how actually it looks when the LEDs lights up. Friends, I have set up my monitor here. If you can see here, you can hear the sound audio quality. It doesn't come up with the integrated speaker. So what I have done is that I have connected my own speaker to the monitor, and if you can see, there is a slot behind where you can connect your own mini speakers. So yeah, I can just show you the sound quality of this monitor. So you can have a look at the description to look more into details. So let me start unpacking it. So this is the way it looks like, sleek, modern design. And there are a couple of options here. There's a button on the back side. If you just turn it like it's like a joystick, you can move it up and down. And there's another feature. You double click on that power button, and you will see there is a eye saver mode here. You click on the eye saver mode, and it will reduce the blue light, preferably in case if you are working at a stretch, like if you're working as an IT professional, then this eye saver mode will really help you out to distress your eyes. So this is what it's look like. So more or less it seems to be a kind of a decent deal for around 250 Canadian dollars. So do ask me in case if you have any follow-up questions or any concerns around the monitors. This can be also used as a gaming monitor. So I hope you like and you will like my video. So please do like and subscribe. Thank you.